Alright, we're gonna be playing some Insider Trading. This just came out yesterday, and I'm excited to get into this. I really like the demo, although I wasn't too great at it. I'm not, a good stock trader, but I'm hoping to get better. I just want to say thank you to Naive for giving me access to the game. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited to get into this, so let's hit play, save one, and tutorial. Yeah, I mean, why not? It's been a while since I played. So let's hop back into this. I can probably skip over a lot of it just because I'll probably remember some. Make money off of trades. You target. Yep. If you don't hit it, you're fired as an intern. Day 1 of 30, week 1 of 6. As an intern, you must survive 6 weeks or 30 days to win your promotion. Okay. Enough said. Let's get into the work. Let's start. Okay. So at the start of each day, 10 cards will be drawn from your deck. We control the daily stock prices through these cards, hover over them to see each of their effects. Alright. Cards will trigger from left to right once the market opens. Apparently you want to trade when the price is expected to rise and skip if not. We are seeing a lot of bulls today, so let's give trade a try. Do I just do it, or do I get to... Okay, I don't get to move anything around. Now watch how these numbers move as you make your purchase. Can't read. Alright, next. Yep. Okay, I can probably speed that up. I don't know if that's slow just because of the tutorial or... Okay, afterwards your cards will trigger one by one, affecting the price. Alright, so it goes up, goes down, goes up. Alright, so we made 5.6% basically. Once the cards finish triggering, all your shares will be sold at a new price. Look. Let's go. We made $60. Easy money. Okay, now let's head over to the aftermarket, which is basically where you buy stuff after each day. Now it's Tuesday, +1 interest per 5 tokens. Oh, okay. Got it. Next. When each day is over, you'll get to choose 2 new cards to add to your deck. Like 1 red card and 1 green card. Alright, so let's just take... This is a -1%, -3%. Modify price by -$1. This card cannot set price under 10. Actually, -$1 is pretty good. And then Bear Trap. This will delete a card. +5% price. If price is under $100, can I see what the price is at the moment? I don't know. We'll just take +5%. And then we have our shop. Here you can buy upgrades using tokens. Pills over here are single use, and perks here last forever. I'll give you a few tokens so you can get a feel for things. So doubles tokens. Oh, okay, so that's actually really good. How many tokens do I have? 15? Let's just buy that. And then use. And then if use when market is open, permanently delete first 2 cards in queue and redraw them. Then what's our perk do? Oh, it's just random. Oh, we get a choice. First card in queue gets +2 triggers, gain +1 max pill slot, or +1 token every time the second card in queue triggers. Let's go. First card in queue gets 2 triggers. That's gonna be pretty strong, and we don't have enough for that, so let's go to the next day. So, we're gonna end our wonderful day. Something seems a bit different today, doesn't it? Those cards are shiny. When 5 or more cards with the same type connect, they form a combo. I'm talking about types as bulls, bears, or investors. All cards in a combo will trigger twice and give you +2 tokens as a bonus. Use these combos to your advantage. Now, before you click that trade button, I advise you to push this combo even further. You can move or discard cards in your hand by using tokens. So we can move. Does it okay, it wants me to move that and that, I think. Yes. Wonderful, now click trade. Oh, I want to move stuff around still though. But I guess that costs tokens, so. Let's, what is this one? First card. So let's do... let's move this here. So that way that triggers twice. That's worth the token. Alright, now trade. Yeah. Big increases. Times 6. Oof. Alright, that was good profit. Plus $382. Making good money. We've now made it through this week's target. Although this is tutorial, so I'm not gonna get all excited about it yet. Minus 6% if prices under $100 after triggering. Permanently modify this card's effect by plus 2%. Minus 5% price, we'll take that. Because it's probably gonna teach me how to do skips next. Delete adjacent investors. I don't think we have any investors. Prices over $100 after trigger and permanently modify this card's effect by minus 2. Sure, let's take Surfer Dude. If used while market is open, give permanent +1 trigger count to the first card in queue. Okay. Reset cost for moving and discarding cards. Oh, I don't have enough for that, so we'll just take that pill and then start. Seem to be doing well, but wait, your card seems to be on the bearish side today. Well, that's nothing to worry about. We have already reached the target, so we can skip trading. Your balance resets to 1,000 at the end of every week, meaning you don't need to trade every day. My advice, skip whenever you can. Doing so will even give you 10 extra tokens. It's better to lower the price when you're skipping. Alright, so remember your balance resets every week, blah blah blah. Don't worry, we got it. Then I'll leave the rest to you. Thank you, sir. I got it. So, well, let's just move the. Okay, do bears not trigger multiple times? Interesting. I thought maybe this would do like a bearish thing. Or not a bearish thing, like they would glow but I hit trade. Wait, reset, please reset. How much money did I just lose off of that? 183. Whoopsie. Big mistake. Okay, let's do modifier price by minus $1. And then if price is under $100 plus 10% price. Oh, duh, the price is right here. I was wondering before how to see it. It's right there. Effects increases by plus 1% for each bull card queued. Okay, let's get this. Skipping grants you an extra 3 tokens. Immediately gain plus 5 tokens. Gain plus 2 interest. Okay. Then last card in queue gets 1 in 3 chance to delete itself after triggering. Let's just do immediately gain 5 tokens, I guess, and then max interest of plus 2. And then max interest is 7 right now. Alright, well, I need to make my money back off of that. Ooh, what is it? This one. If price is over 100 after trigger and permanently modify this card, so that's gonna go down. Let's get you over here. So that way we have a nice, good thing going. I should probably also like just move those two and then trade. And hopefully I get my money back after that screw up. Okay, it looks like we're getting our money back. Definitely got our money back. It could have been better if I didn't accidentally trade instead of skip last time. But that's okay. What are you, an investor? Okay. So minus 5% price if price is over $100 after trigger and re-trigger up to 5 times per day. Wow. That's kind of insane. We'll take that. Okay, Surfer is an investor as well. This is an investor. Oh, this is an investor also. If price is under 100 plus 10%, otherwise it does nothing. Well, we'll take 5% and confirm. We don't have enough tokens for that. Do I want delete first 2 cards? Fill all empty pill. Okay, well, we'll just, I guess, save. Well, this isn't looking too great. So, I think we just let this run and skip. We made our price, so we're fine. Look how many times that just triggered as well. Holy. Because the price stays the same between weeks, I think, so we want to lower it as much as we can for the next week. So that way it's cheaper to buy right at the start. Perk prices have increased, pill prices have increased, and weekly target has increased. So we need 2,100 now. New weekly event will be active for 5 days until next event. 2 null cards will be added to the deck on day start. Null cards have no effect and will be deleted upon triggering. New connection, so we can add pharma type cards. So this specializes in pills, or authorizing cards specializes in authority cards specialize in locking cards in queue. Let's do agitator. Your new friend offers you a gift. Empty pill slot is needed to accept. So we'll get rid of that one, sure. Let's see, what they give me. Plus 20 tokens. Yes, please. If adjacent to bear cards, delete them and delete this card as well. Minus 3% price if the card has triggered in the previous day, do minus 8% price instead. Take a bear trap, and then cap plus 1% price effect increased by plus 1% for each bull card queued. If the card on the right is not locked, lock it and give it plus 1 trigger count. Locked cards will stay in queue until tomorrow. I'll give that a try. We have plenty of tokens. All cards' prices modifying effects are buffed by 0.07. A 1 in 5 chance for bull and bear card types to be deleted upon triggering. Investor cards have 1 in 5 chance to give a vitamin pill. I think modify the effects. Yeah, let's do that. Buy another one. Oh, that's right, you can get the same things. First green positive card in queue gets plus 1 trigger. I mean, add in another 2 triggers to the first card in queue. Hell yeah. And that'll be it. Okay, well the first 2 cards are the null cards. That kind of sucks that that's the first ones that are in there. Let's use this. Wait, did that? Oh, I think I gave it to the null. I think it, oh well. That's gonna trigger twice now. Alright, well, plus 4.3% and prices over $4.30 after trigger and permanently modified by minus 2. Let's do, I guess let's put the calf to the front for now. That way that triggers a whole lot. And then we are gonna, this is gonna go down by minus 5.4. But we're going up way more than that, so I'm not too worried on that. Or we could use a token to move this back here. And you know what? Use another one to do that. And we'll trade. Bought 8 shares. Okay, we're going up a lot. It's plus 14% because of this at the end. I kind of killed it. But we made 148. I will accept. We will take... let's take minus $1. And then if adjacent to bull cards, delete them. Plus 0% price effect permanently increases by plus 2% every time this card gets locked. Oh, that could be strong. That could be pretty strong. It's not going to do anything at the start. Doubles tokens. Let's just do that. Let's get a perk. Green, positive cards in queue gets plus 1 trigger. You own no shares, minus 5% price every time the last card is triggered. I mean, green, first green positive card in queue gets another trigger. Hell yeah. Okay, it's looking pretty bullish. So, effect permanently increases by 2 every time it's locked. I don't have a way to lock it at the moment. So let's just really tank the price. We're gonna move this to the first slot and just absolutely tank the price. And then skip here. This is gonna do nothing. Okay, that's gonna trigger a whole lot. Didn't go down as much as I thought it was gonna. Did the price even go down at all? Like 1.7%, that's it? Alright, well that didn't do too much. Minus 7% price if adjacent to a locked card, otherwise does nothing. I need a way to lock cards. If this card is triggered in a previous day, do plus 8% instead is pretty good. So if card on the right is not locked, lock it. So this is another lock. Let's get another lock card. You have enough for upgrade, gain a random pill at the start of the day if there is a remaining slot. Last card in queue gets 1 in 3 chance to delete itself. Plus 1 token every time a card gets locked. That's pretty good. Let's get a random pill at the start of every day though. And then if used while in market, give plus 1 permanent trigger to the first card in queue. Gladly. Let's actually put it on something useful this time. There's a lot of nothing happening here. I think this is another skip. This price is gonna go down like crazy. I mean, this is plus 5%. Then minus 3, minus 7. That's if it's adjacent to a locked card though. It's not. We can lock. The card on the right is not locked. Lock it and give it plus 1 trigger count. Put that there. This is gonna re-trigger a crazy amount of times. Get rid of that. Okay. This might work. Let's trade it. We got 8 shares. I think we'll be fine. I think it's gonna go way more than it goes down. Yeah, we're good. Went up $371 on that. We're not close to the target though, so that's not good. Card is deleted after triggering. Yeah, it's fine. And we will do modify price by $1. This card gets set, cannot set price under 10. We'll take security. Don't have enough tokens. We got doubles max tokens. Okay, now we have enough. If used when market is open, reset cost for moving and discarding cards. That might be helpful. Let's hit up with this. 1 in 5 chance for cost to not increase when moving or discarding. If you own no shares, minus 5% price. Every time a combo is triggered, plus 3 tokens. Let's do 1 in 5 chance for the cost to not increase when moving or discarding cards. Okay. I mean, this is insane. But it's deleted after triggering, so I don't think it would be useful to have it trigger multiple times. That's not too bad. So I think we just move you to the start. We're gonna have to spend a lot here, I think. Just to get this going, like, in a good way. So this is gonna trigger a whole lot. You know what? Spend the tokens. This needs to go up front. I think I'm kind of screwed here. I'm gonna get 8 shares. I'm not gonna earn enough. I probably should have tanked the price, but I couldn't really tank it here, so... Oh, that's fine. We made $897. We're all good. Now we want to tank the price, though. Because that price is too high. Let's do... another... no, we'll do misinformation. 3%, do 8% if it's been triggered already. We have no tokens, so let's just start. Okay, sadly... we don't have anything too great here to tank the market. So... like, there's no point in buying. Like, we need to set this up to where the market tanks. But I can't really do anything with that. No matter what, the market's going up, I think. Even with this triggering a whole lot. Let's skip. Oh no, that's really big decreases. Okay, it went down somewhat. It went down somewhat. We need to tank the price more. That is just too expensive. That's gonna screw us in the upcoming weeks. 3,200. Let's see. So cannot skip this week. Instead, you get the option to short sell. Ooh, okay. Remove bear type cards from the shop. Remove investors. Remove bull type cards from the shop. Honestly, is this permanent? Because like as of right now, I need bull type cards gone right now. Let's try it. We have way too... Wait, isn't... Because we just have way too many things that are increasing my price, even though we just got the greedy. We need a bear trap. We need a trap on this side. Bear trap. If adjacent to bear cards, delete them and delete this card as well. Well, let's take the bear trap. And then, yeah, we'll take that. If used during card selection, replace all cards with random rare cards. Used during weekly event selection, reroll. Right, I need to use pills more often. Perk price -3 tokens. Cannot go below 0. I mean, perk, that's not bad. -3? Sure. And then, start. Okay, that's a crazy increase. I need to... I mean... Yeah, we gotta move stuff around here. So... We are gonna move this off of first slot, that's for sure. If price over 100 after triggering, re-trigger up to 5 times. This is going in first, because that's gonna re-trigger so many times. Do we move one other thing? We could also discard. Let's discard that. That's better, so it's not going up as much. And this is gonna be a short. I'm not 100% sure on how short works on here, so let's try it. We should earn money the lower it goes, basically. Look how much that went down. Alright, well, we made $366, and now the price is down to $141. Went down 39%. What we like to see. At least we can earn money still doing shorts, unlike just skipping. Prices under $100. Yeah, that's not happening, really. Let's get locked card. And we will take a bear. Don't have enough tokens, and we'll just start. I haven't even gotten to do anything with this. So it is next to a bear, so that will delete. Effect increased by 1% for each full card queued, which there are none, other than that to 1. This is 5%. Like, is this another short here? This might be another short. Like, honestly. Put you there. And then... I mean, do I want to lock that? Probably not. I want to lock you, for being honest. And then just let this short. Because that's going to go down a lot again. It did not go down as much more as I thought, but it's down to 105. And we earned another $322. These next couple days, hopefully we get good bull cards to increase the price a lot. Okay, we'll take tariffs. And then plus 3%, we'll take misinformation again. Take tokens, or buy it, or whatever perk you can think of it. First green card positive gets a +1. Alright. Okay, this is what we want right here. That's good. Let's discard you. Perfect. We can move you here. I guess it doesn't really matter. We don't need to move everything around. Let's trade. I should go up a decent amount. 15 shares. Yeah, we're gonna make pretty good money off of this one. That's locked. $738. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. We still have 2 days. What do we got? Let's take the Fearful. And plus 1% price. Effect doubled for each consecutive day this card has triggered. Interesting. I mean, that could be insane. But otherwise, it's kind of useless. Ooh. Ooh. You might have to skip out on this day. But we would have to get it in the final day. I mean, we have a couple of big increases, actually. We just need to get them. I mean, this does nothing. This is a 10% increase. But we can tank the price by like 20% right at the start. If adjacent to a locked card. Otherwise does nothing. Is there a way to tell which card is locked? I don't know. I'm assuming there is. Oh, it's 5 cards of the same type. That's why I wasn't getting the combo before. I thought it was just 5 like green cards in a row or something. Okay, let's debate on whether I tank the price or short it. I think we short it. Let's put that there. Let's discard you. This is gonna do nothing, so it'll go up a tiny bit, but actually, let's... This... I didn't mean to delete that. Okay, well, we're not using that then. Minus 5%. The price is over 100. Let's short it. At least we earn money off the short. Ooh, okay, that went up a decent amount at the end there, but then went back down. Alright, we hit what we needed. We got what we needed. And we still have a day. We are barely making it through. Minus 15. Jeez. plus 10% price. I need more the ways to get rid of cards though. Honestly. We'll take the greedy again. We don't have enough for that. Let's start it. I mean, we want the tank to go down as much as possible. So, we put that there. And then I think we just let this rock. Or we don't want that there though. If we could always lock Fanatics, that'd be really good. Alright, well, we short again. I mean, it's gonna go down 16% so many times. The price is down to 41. Oh yeah, we killed that market price. That's gonna be really good for the next week. We're gonna be able to buy so many shares. Alright, we need 6,000. Inflation hits the market. Required card count to trigger combos is +2. Okay, well, I wasn't really triggering any combos anyway. Bird type cards. Or limited use cards, card deletes. I mean, more tokens could be good. And then, what is this? Your new friend offers you a pill. If used when market is open, permanently delete first 5 cards in queue and redraw them. I need to use these. Like, why am I not using these? I keep forgetting. And then this I haven't been able to increase at all because I haven't been able to get it next to a locked card. So we'll take another one though. Actually, no, we won't. Plus 10% price if it's under 100. Minus 10% price if adjacent to a locked card. Let's take you. Is it over 100? Yeah, if it's over 100. Tokens. Last 2 cards in queue get +1 triggered count. Last card in queue gets 1 in 3 chance to delete. Let's try to maybe delete some cards at the end. And those are the same as what I have now. Alright, so this is consecutive right now. Although this week looks awful. Like, absolutely awful. Know what we do? We just move that to the start to kill the price. This is gonna be such a cheap price. Oh, I don't want that to potentially delete though. Let's put that there and hopefully it deletes. Okay. There's these shares are worth nothing now. We've killed the price so much. Yeah, it went down our 21%. What do we got? Plus 5% lock all cards on the right. Locked cards will stay in queue until tomorrow. Cards deleted after triggering. Gain plus 1% price. Gain +1 tokens. So it doesn't do too much, honestly. Let's take a bear trap. And then we will take... Actually, we don't need bear trap. Maybe we do, actually. I wish I could see how many cards I actually... Oh, view deck. Yeah, I don't need a bear trap. I mean, I could get rid of the regular bear cards because we have a bunch of the other cards. I don't have a bear trap, so you know what? We'll take a bear trap. And then plus 1% price, gain +1 token. Or lock all cards to the right just seems insane. No, we just barely don't have enough. Okay, we can actually get this next to a locked card this time. So that's good. We're gonna move you to the start. No, I have 21 tokens, so I can move a lot around. I'm gonna get you there. And then this is gonna lock, so then this will be next to a locked card. If adjacent to a locked card, which it's not. So that'll be fine. Alright, we trade here. Our first time trading in forever, it seems like. How many shares we can buy 30 shares. Wow. Yeah, give me all that money. This price is gonna go up a decent amount. Okay, so now, okay, so it didn't give me the it didn't go up there. I got $469 off of that. So did it go up now though? Let me check. No. So this is the locked. I'm so confused on that. Dinosaur plus 0% effect increases by 0.5% for each token. Loses 1/3 of the tokens after triggering. Lose 1/3 of the tokens after triggering. Jeez. You can get a cup, a hawk. If holding 10 or more tokens, minus 8% price, otherwise does nothing. Alright, we'll get a hawk. Holding 10 or more tokens, prices plus 8%. Okay, cool. Doubles max tokens. Alright, well, let's just... Since, you know, I'm not using these at all. Use that. Use that. Let's see what we got here. The last 2 cards in queue get a re-trigger. First green card triggers again. And then 1 in 3 chance to gain a token when a bird card is triggered. Immediately gain plus 5 tokens and plus 2 interest. Every time a card gets locked, plus 1 token. Sure. Yeah, I don't understand the locked card thing. This is gonna do nothing, this is gonna do nothing. Because I don't have enough tokens, so... Lock all cards to the right of this. If I have that at the start, that's gonna be insane. We can... move that. That'll delete that. This sucks. Okay, I'm fine with that. And you know what? We're gonna do another discard, get rid of that as well. That's not bad. Okay, the price is definitely gonna go up here. So let's trade 29 shares. I just realized, why did I have that at the start? That could have been way better. Still have 500. It's not looking too good this week. I might lose this week. Bear trap. We'll take another bear trap since we just spent hours. And a dove. Confirm. And then we're not gonna buy anything. Okay, a lot of these have things on them. I mean, this at the start would be insane. So, move you there. This is gonna unlock the bear trap, but the bear trap's gonna get deleted. But I don't want that. Anything else I want? We're still above 10. We need to stay above 10, so let's trade. It's only $68. We bought 29 shares, but the price is gonna go up an insane amount here. Oh. Lost a little at the end. That's okay. We are at 4,019. We have a chance. Wow, the price went up 100%. Okay, but this is gonna be scary now. Because we have to get hit big here. Okay, and we do. This needs to go to the start. We need to spend basically all our, not all, but most of our tokens. This is a discard. That's a discard. Yeah, see, that's still 0, so I don't know. Honestly, just discard anything that's gonna drop the price too much. Let's use this on that. If used during the week event selection reroll event. It's gonna be 4. Okay, this is great. This is amazing. Trade that. This is gonna go big. I don't know if it's enough, but I'm hoping. Oh yeah, 9,800. We made some big money there at the end. But now we need to lower the price. 20,000, I struggled to get to 9,000. Okay, event will be active for 5 days. Cards queued in the first half will have no effect. All our cards will get. Oh my god, wait. Reroll that. Last card in queue will delete itself after triggering. Okay, that's better. Let's get rid of... Honestly, get rid of authority. I just don't understand it. So I'd rather not have it. Let's take another one of these to tank the price some more. And, I mean, we'll take an art dove as well. All cards price modifying effects are permanently buffed by 0.01x. Oh, I mean, sure. Get both of those. Oh god. Well, the price is gonna go up a lot. And there's nothing I can even really do about it. Or just... yeah, just trade that. I mean, it's going up. I can only get 3 shares, so it's... wait, 2? It's at 3. That price is absolutely insane. I think I screwed myself. The price is so high. Oh my god. Look, I need to kill the price, alright? By 0.5% per owned token. You know? Let's take it. We'll take that as well. I'm not buying that. What does this do? If used when market is open, discard and redraw all cards in queue. Okay, that might come in handy here. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. Hold on. This gets moved to here. That's minus 11%, and it's gonna trigger a whole lot of time. You need to go. I can't have, ooh, 8.7, no, that's 10. Okay. This is gonna lock that, but that's whatever. I don't want to spend too many tokens because it's gonna go down. So we're gonna skip. So hopefully, yeah, okay. That really killed the price, that's good. Alright. That's a more doable price, but I don't think I'm getting to 20,000. I must say. I mean, another minus 15%. I wish I had that one last time. Let's go... oh, can't use that. That could be good, though. I don't want to get rid of that. I want that extra 0.01, but Let's buy one thing here. Every time a combo is triggered, I'm not getting combos. I feel like that's an issue. I mean, sure. Alright. Okay, we got a lot of heavy hitters for the price going down. But it's Wednesday. This card has done nothing for me because I just didn't understand the locked card. I mean, this triggering so many times would be insane. Because the price is going to go down more than it goes up. So put that there. Discard. You. And you. Yeah, that doesn't really do much. We gotta skip again, but I don't have faith that we can do much here in this final push. We have Thursday and Friday to increase our wealth to 20,000. Let's just take a cub. Okay, now we need big increases. Need big increases. We get one. You own no shares. Investor cards have 1 in 5 chance to give a vitamin pill. I mean, I guess. And let's just go. Alright, that's pretty good. So what we do here is we move this to the start. Does that give me -2 every time it triggers? Or just the first time? Because that's gonna be really bad. Okay, we're gonna discard you, discard you. That's not too bad, honestly. I can deal with the -$1. That's fine. Still want to be holding 10. So that does nothing. I mean, this does nothing as well. Let's see if we can get, yeah, something like that. Alright, trade, we can get 24 or 23. I don't know what's going on there, but we got 23. Yeah, this is just not good enough. That's 5,000, but that's it's gonna be expensive to buy shares on the next one. I don't even have a lot of tokens. I shouldn't have even taken that. Yeah, these two are gonna do nothing. I don't have enough tokens. Well, I guess we can discard and redraw all cards. I don't think that really helped me. I mean, this is going to trigger multiple times. I'd have to discard you. Discard you. This does nothing. Just trade. I think we're screwed here. Well, I definitely think we're screwed here, but I think, you know, we made it pretty far. I know I did way better than I did on the demo. 12,396. Well, we made it kind of close. Oh, failure, target unmet. I will take it though. I think I did pretty good. 48 minutes, 25 days, balance of 12,396 and 21 tokens. Fired on day 25. And that's on new character. Black Swan has been unlocked. Okay, so we unlocked a new okay, new start basically. I can't even beat the easiest difficulty, like what? Jeez.